Audi is taking a bold step forward by adding plug-in hybrid versions to its A5 lineup nearly a year after phasing out the A4. Both the sedan, which is technically a liftback, and the wagon now come with charging capabilities, combining electric efficiency with traditional performance. These new variants are available only with Quattro all-wheel drive and feature a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. The base model of the A5 e-hybrid delivers a combined 295 horsepower, while the more powerful version boosts that number to 362 horsepower, putting it on par with the V6-powered S5. Acceleration is impressive too. Going from 0 to 62 miles per hour takes just 5.1 seconds, only 0.6 seconds slower than the S5. Although Audi has not released the weight figures, it is fair to assume the plug-in models are heavier than the S5's 4,299 pounds due to the additional battery. That battery is a big improvement. It has 25.9 kilowatt-hours of usable energy, up roughly 45% from the old A4 plug-in. With 11 kilowatts of alternating current charging, it can be fully charged in about 2.5 hours. However, placing the battery beneath the cargo floor might eat into trunk space. When running in electric mode, the A5 sedan can cover up to 72.1 miles based on the WLTP cycle. Top speed in electric mode is capped at 87 miles per hour, but activating the gasoline engine raises the limit to 155 miles per hour, and it looks like more is coming. Audi is expected to launch an even more powerful plug-in hybrid soon. It has been almost 6 years since they confirmed the next RS4 would use an electrified setup for both lower emissions and higher performance. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.